this instructional video, we're going to look at Google Trends and specifically how to access it, some of the tools, and talk about some of the classroom implications. To get to Google Trends, you can go to trends.google.com and it will allow you to access Google Trends. I am logged in, as you can see here in the top corner, which allows you to kind of save some of your projects and stories. When you first get here, you see this search bar. We'll talk about that in a second, but then there's also some examples or stories that are already kind of created. Also, to kind of give you some background knowledge, Google Trends is a great way to help you explore data. So what it does is it pulls all the different types of searches, whether it's keywords, so sports, movies, things socially, from whether it's posted on social media like Twitter, or if it's in a Google search, just anything that have actual hits on them. And it pulls all that data together for people to be able to explore that data. And like I said, it's a great tool for education, to have conversations with students about data, as well as comparing them, or if they're doing some research, just many different classroom implications that I'm also sure that you can think of. Like I said, here's some stories we can go ahead and look at. And so, like, for an example, this one's all about the World Cup because that's really relevant, or specific people or topics that they are comparing that you can click on and see. And then you can filter it even more if you want to look at that data and have discussions about it. But I'd like to show you if you want to search on your own. And so this is a great way to enter search terms, topics, keywords. Let's pretend like we want to explore, and maybe we want to compare Coca-Cola and Pepsi. So I'm going to type in Coca-Cola, and I can see all the data about it, the interest over time. That's how many people have kind of looked at it. It shows you by sub-region, like state, other related topics. And then you can also filter it as well, but I can also compare it to Pepsi. There we go. So now, as you can see, we can talk about the different interest over time, and it's nice to be able to see, to compare Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Also down here, the different interests by state and more. So a lot of information and different searches. So like I said, you can think of all sorts of probably conversations you can have about the economy or socially and all those different things. Like I said, this is Google Trends. You can get to it by going to trends.google.com. You can either on Google Trends look at the stories they already have that are popular right now, as well as you can search for them on your own and compare to have those discussions as a class. Thank you so much for watching.